Welcome to our YouTube channel Abid Financials, and I am Abid Hussain Malik, and today we are going to start our third video of level 1 certification exam, which name is expense and vendors. If you have any query and question, you can ask me in comment section. I shall reply you as soon as possible. And if you have any queries, you may also email me at info@abidfinancials.com. And if you want to learn about QuickBooks and Xero tutorials, please visit my YouTube channel Abid Financials on the YouTube. And let's start our video. Question 1. You generally need to submit a 1099 to IRS at your end when you pay more than how much for services for a vendor who is an independent contractor or a freelancer. For option A, $60, B, $600, C, $6,000, D, $16,000. The correct option is option B, $600. Question number 2. When adjusting automation option in the accounts and setting, which of the following selections will affect all transactions, not just those relating to expense and vendors? Select 2 correct options and then submit. Option A, automatically apply credit. Option B, use purchase order. Option C, default bill payment terms. Option D, pre-fill forms with previously entered content. The correct options are option A, automatically apply the credits, and option D, pre-fill forms with previously entered content. These are 2 correct answers. Question number 3. You are configuring expense option in accounts and setting for a client so that they can specify which products and services are purchased from vendors. You switch on show items table on expense and purchase form. To which of following forms does this add a product and service option? There are 5 options here. Option A, purchase order. B, bills. C, vendor's credit. D, checks, and E, expense. The correct options are option A, purchase orders, and then option B, bills, and then option E, expenses. Question number 4. Which of the followings are benefit of using purchase orders? Select all options that you apply. There are 6 options here. And creates clear communication between clients and vendors, helps vendors successfully generate and deliver clients' orders. C, reduces the need for financial audit. D, eliminates the need of contract between clients and vendors. Option E, helps manage the client's cash flow. Option F, makes order easier to track for clients. There are 4 correct options. First correct option is option A, creates clear communication between clients and vendors. And then option B, helps vendors successfully generate. And then option E, helps manage client cash flow. And then option F, makes order easier to track for clients. Next question, number 5. Which type of transaction cannot be referenced with a tag in QuickBooks? There are 6 options here. Bills, bank receipt, bank deposits, journal entries, invoices, checks, and purchase orders. The correct option is option F, purchase order. Question number 6. Why is it important to ensure pay is always recorded for an expense transactions? Select all options that applies and submit answer. There are 5 options. Option A, ensures each expense is accurately attributed to correct vendors. B, ensures that expenses are accurately categorized. C, makes reconciliation more straightforward. And option D, helps with 1099 compliance. And then option E, supports detailed tracking of expenditure and analysis of spending patterns. The correct options are 4 options. First one is ensures each expense is accurately attributed, and then option C, make reconciling more straightforward, and then helps with 1099 compliance, and last correct answer is supports detailed tracking of expenditure. Question number 7. Which of the following statements are true regarding bills? Select all option, apply. There are 6 options here: sports cash basis accounting, sports accrual basis, clients pay immediately, paying the bills recorded separately, affects cash accounts, and affects accounts payable accounts. The correct options are 3 options. First one is option B, sports accrual cash basis accounting, and then option D, paying the bills for recorded separately, and then option F, affects account payable accounts. Question number 8, which of the following statements about recording money out transaction using item is false? There are 4 options here. Option A, you can record money out transaction using item instead of as well as categorize. Option B, recording money out transaction using item enables tracking at a more detailed level. Option C, to add items to sales and expense forms, you must switch on the option to show item tables on the expense. And option D, you specify the purchase order for items when you create an expense or bills. The correct option is option C, to add items to sales and expense form, you must switch on the options to show items tables on expense and purchase form in a client's account setting. This is the correct answer. Question number 9, what ways can bills receipts be added to QuickBooks so that they can be allocated to transactions? There are 5 options: uploading via QuickBooks apps, uploading a file from a computer or mobile device, sending via text, emailing to a customer address, and forwarding via text message. There are 3 correct answers. The first correct answer is email to a customer address, and then uploading a file from computer mobile device, and last correct answer is uploading via QuickBooks apps. If you want to learn about QuickBooks Level 1, Level 2 payroll certification exam answer and the study material, you can visit my YouTube channel Abid Financials. Here you shall go to the playlist, and here you can find study material of Level 1. Here you can find Level 1 answers which are recorded in start of 25, and here you can also learn about the e-commerce bookkeeping, and also you can know about QuickBooks payroll certifications. And here I have created a video for Level 2 answers, and this is QuickBooks certification answer Canada versions, and here you can find the UK based QuickBooks answers. So also you can find about UK accounts filing videos. So share with your friends, and if you have any question, you may ask in the comment section. Let's move to another question. C10, when your client spends more money at the time of purchase, what should be used to record transaction in the QuickBooks? There are 4 options here: a purchase order, an expense, a sales receipts, a bill, and the correct option is option B, an expense account. This is the correct answer. And C11, question number 11, which of the following vendor detail is it best practice to maintain in their record in QuickBooks? Select an option, then submit. There are 4 options: A, account number, B, address, C, email address, and opening balance. The correct option is email address, and then correct option is address, and then other correct option is account number. Question number 12, what is best way to record payment to a credit card? Select and submit the answer. There are 4 options: record the payment directly as income, to balance or credit card account, use the pay down a credit card features to record moving funds, record the credit card statement as a bill, and then record the payment as a bill payment, and use features to move the transaction from bank to bank credit card. The correct option is option B, use the pay credit card account features to record moving funds from bank account to the credit card account. Correct answer. Next question, which of the following statement about purchase order is false? Select and apply. A. Well, once a purchase order has been created, status is open. B. Clients receive the item for purchase order. C. A purchase order is an accounting transactions. D. When the client receive item from the purchase order. The correct option is option C. Purchase order is an accounting transaction, which means it affects balance in your client's account. Question number 14. Which types are good starting point when your clients want to record transaction in the future occurs? An ad hoc basis where the details are subject to change each time. For option A, dynamic, B, unscheduled, C, reminder, and D, schedule. The correct option is option B, unscheduled. Question number 15. Which template types are good starting point when your clients want to record transactions that occur on regular basis, schedule basis, but where the client does not want to process them automatically because they need editing before they're created? Unscheduled, reminder, dynamic, and schedule. The correct option is reminder is best option for this situation. Question number 16. Your client wants to identify how much they are spending with particular vendors to help identify areas of overspend. Which report most helpful for them? There are 4 options: transaction list by vendor, accounts payable aging, check detail report, expenses by vendor summary. The correct option is option D, expenses by vendor summary report. These are the correct option. Question number 17. What is the best way to record a payment made to credit card to ensure what's categorized accurately in QuickBooks? Select an option and then select apply. It should be categorized to an expense account, as a credit card, or recorded as a bill payment, or recorded as a pay down credit card transaction. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is it should be recorded as a pay down credit cards transaction. Question number 18. Which of the following is not shown as account payable aging report? 4 options are here. The balance of each unused credit, balance is grouped by days past due, the balance of each unpaid bill, and unpaid bill transaction grouped by vendor. The correct option is option B, balance grouped by days past due. Question number 19. What happens when your client receives a credit from a vendor? Select all the options that you think are applied. There are 4 options. It can be used for a future purchase. It increases the cash balance. It can be applied to an existing open balance. It decreases the account payable liability on the balance sheet. The correct options are 3 options. The first correct option is it decreases the account payable liability on the balance sheet, and then it can be used for future purchase. And then the correct answer, it can be applied on existing open balance. So this is also correct balance. So I secure 90% passing marks out of these exam. Thank you for watching this video. Please share with your friends, and if you have any question, I am always open to answer you, and I am updating you on every and each updates. And if you want to learn QuickBooks and the Xero certification material as well, please visit my YouTube channel Abid Financials, or you can contact me at my WhatsApp number for any query or any certification. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.